last class we have discussed rules to trace images formed by convex mirror. In today's class we are going to discuss about image formation by convex mirror. So let's start. Let us consider a convex mirror. The shaded portion is a non-reflecting surface and this is the reflecting surface. Let's draw the principal axis. The pole of the mirror. So for a convex mirror we will get the focal point and center of curvature behind the mirror. Focal point, center of curvature. Now in case 1 we will consider that the object is at infinity. Object at infinity. We will consider an object placed somewhere at infinity. So now the rays coming from the object travel parallel to the principal axis. So this is an incident ray coming from the object traveling parallel to the principal axis. We know that for a convex mirror, any ray that travel parallel to the principal axis on reflection appear that it is coming from the focal point. So this is the reflected ray. It appears as if it is coming from the focal point. Let us consider another incident ray that is traveling parallel to the principal axis. So this ray after reflection, it travels in a way that it also appears as if it is coming from the focal point. So when we extend the reflected rays backwards, it meets at the focal point. So we can say that a point-sized image is formed at focal point. Point-sized image. And we know that the image is formed behind the mirror. We can call it a virtual image. So this is case 1 when the object is placed somewhere at infinity. Now let's consider the case 2. That is when the object is between pole and infinity. Or we can say that the object is just in front of the mirror. When the object is in front of the mirror, the ray that travels parallel to the principal axis. So this is the incident ray coming from the object and traveling parallel to the principal axis. Now any ray that is incident on the mirror get reflected in such a way that it appears as if it is coming from the focal point. Now let us consider another incident ray that is traveling in the direction of center of curvature. So any ray that travels in the direction of center of curvature after reflection travel along the same line but in the opposite direction. So we will get the incident and reflected ray along the same line. Now we will find that when we extend the reflected rays backwards, it meets at a point. So this is the point where we get the image. So this is the image formed by convex mirror when the object is between pole and infinity. We can find that the image is a diminished image. That is, it is a small size image. And we can also find that the image is erect as well as virtual, as it is formed behind the mirror. So this is case 2. For a convex mirror, the images formed are always virtual. that is, it is found behind the mirror, and the images are erect as well as diminished images. So this is for today's class. We'll discuss further in the coming classes. See you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon.